I'm the Tuzemi. Many people don dey drag Nigeria former Niger Delta militant leader Tom Polo over mutilation of Nigeria currency. Now they call dey draw the attention of EFCC based on say let's say Tom Polo mutilate the Nigeria currency. When we say that they spray and they step on the currency. Now EFCC don also respond by saying nobody is above the law. Now the matter be say most of them EFCC not really know wetin dey happen. Now people dey draw their attention. You get the point. Couple say that they operate online. That one day. But the question be say people say they go feel really drag Tom Polo to answer for the question of mutilating Nigeria currency. The question is left for EFCC to answer. Because say they know say Tom Polo na big name for the society.